Good afternoon, Japan. Good afternoon, rest of the world. My name is Kaz. I'm a Japanese entrepreneur who recently moved to Singapore at the end of 2021. Today, I came to Tokyo from Iwakuni, Yamaguchi. I actually have booked an Airbnb house. So I rented the entire house. So I'm gonna actually show you guys how it's gonna look like. If you're interested in today's video, let's get started. This is gonna be my actual apartment house. So this is the entrance. So if you enter the entrance, take off my shoes, and this is a small closet where I put my suitcase, and this is actually the living room. So there's a nice desk. Looks like I can watch all the Netflix and that kind of stuff, and there's a check-in system. This is the microwave and also the rice cooker, and all the silverwares and also the dishes, I think. Yeah. This door is locked, so I guess it's for cleaning purpose kind of thing. And this is the refrigerator. So they got a nice refrigerator, and then they got kitchen so that I can actually cook. And so there's a toilet. And this door is gonna be, the sink, and also the washing machine, and also the shower room. And that's it for the downstairs. So I'm gonna actually go to the upstairs. There you go. This is the bedroom. So I got a lot of beds, but I only have one person. I guess this place can accommodate up to 6 people. And here's another toilet. That's convenient. So I'm probably gonna walk here, and because I got all the Wi-Fi and everything. So because tomorrow I actually have to walk all day long. So what do you think about the tour of my house? I get a lot of space, If I stay in the hotel, I'm not gonna get this kind of space by myself. So I think, for longer stay, I definitely recommend Airbnb, because I used to be an Airbnb host, so I support Airbnb hosts and Airbnb community. So I would rather stay in Airbnb rather than, hotel, because, if you are staying longer time, you sometimes want to cook some food. I saw that there's Lawson 100 and some My Basket, so I can grab some vegetables and fruits and drinks. So that's kind of like an enjoyment about staying on Airbnb. You can have a different experience compared to staying in hotel. I like the hotel as well because usually hotel is located in the key locations, very accessible from station, so that's a good thing. But usually hotel room is a lot smaller and you don't have a kitchen, so you can't really cook. And for me, laundry is very important because I do jog all the time. So, after I learn, and I really need to wash my clothes. So in the hotel, it's going to be very difficult unless you live in the very expensive residential hotel. But I think Airbnb actually offer better deals sometimes, and also more space. I like walking. It doesn't bother me. If I have to walk about 12 minutes. So I don't really care. And I'd rather have a bigger space so I can be more relaxed. And another thing is, have a lot of Zoom call, right? Zoom call with manufacturers. So Wi-Fi connection is very, very important. If I stay in the even high-end 5-star hotel, the hotel Wi-Fi is shared by all the guests. So, their connection is very slow. I mean, they are fast, but they are not fast enough to, conduct the Zoom meeting and share the screen. So that also the reason why, because if I stay in the Airbnb house, fast Wi-Fi can be only used by me. So anyway, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe my channel. Please click the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload a new video. Please follow my Twitter because I'm talking about the life in Singapore. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. Bye.